Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your Windows 11 PC into a dedicated public web browsing machine. In this video, we'll use Kiosk Mode to turn this Windows 11 PC into a dedicated public web browsing machine. The user can browse the internet while normal access to the Windows is restricted. Let me show you how to set it up and how it works. But before we start, one important thing to know. The Kiosk Mode feature we are using in this video is available on Windows 11 Pro and supported higher editions. It is not available on Windows 11 Home. So if you are using Windows 11 Home and you don't see the kiosk option in settings, that's the reason. So let's first open settings. Now go to accounts. Here we look for other users. Depending on your version of Windows 11, the kiosk option may appear under this section. Look for Setup a kiosk and click on it. Click on Get Started. Windows will first ask us to enter a name for the kiosk account. I will name it as Public Browser. You can use any name you want. Click Next. Now Windows asks us which application we want to use for the kiosk. Since we want to create a public web browsing machine, select Microsoft Edge. Click Next. Now we need to choose how Microsoft Edge should work. For our purpose, select the option that allows the user to browse the internet. So I select here the second option, which is as a public browser. Then click on Next. Windows will now ask for the website that should open when the kiosk starts. Here you can enter your own website, your company's website, or an information page or any other website you want visitor to access. Here I enter google.com. After entering the address, continue with the setup by clicking on Next. Now, Windows will now create the kiosk account and apply the required settings. Once the setup is complete, our public browsing kiosk is ready. Now let's see how it works. Let's sign in to the new kiosk account. Now let's sign into the new kiosk account by signing out the current account, and on the lock screen select new kiosk account, that is public browser. Click sign in. Now Windows will start configuring new kiosk account. Once the setup is complete, our public browsing kiosk is ready. As you can see, Microsoft Edge opens instead of the normal Windows desktop. This is exactly what we wanted. This computer is now being used as a dedicated public web browsing machine. I can browse the internet and open websites, but I don't have normal access to the Windows desktop settings or other applications. So instead of giving someone a normal Windows PC, we can give them a computer that is mainly designed for web browsing. So why do we need Kiosk Mode? Normally, if we give someone access to a Windows PC, they can access much more than just a web browser. They may be able to open other applications, access files, change settings, or use the computer in ways we don't want. For example, you may want to keep a computer in a shop, office, school, or reception area, or so visitor can use it to browse the internet. But you don't want them to access your personal files, settings, or other applications. This is where Kiosk Mode comes in. In simply word, Kiosk Mode turns a normal Windows PC into a computer designed for a specific purpose. In our case, the purpose is public web browsing. This can be useful in many situations. For example, we could use it in a shop for customer to browse your website. You could use it at a reception desk to provide visitors with online information. It can also be useful in schools, offices, waiting areas, or other places where people need temporary access to a computer. So that's how we can turn a Windows 11 PC into a dedicated public web browsing machine using Kiosk Mode. So the main idea is simple. Instead of giving visitors full access to Windows, we give them access to a computer designed for one specific purpose. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Windows tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching.